Real results, real science. The most remarkable aspect? These recipes are designed to support cellular health, enhance natural vitality, promote restful sleep, boost mental clarity, strengthen immune function, perfect for everyone. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, health-conscious new to plant-based eating, looking to optimize your nutrition, your exclusive opportunity. I rarely endorse products, but this system is exceptional. Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell, and as a registered dietitian with 15 years of experience, I've seen countless diet trends come and go. But what I'm about to share with you today isn't just another trend, it's a revolutionary approach that's transforming lives across the globe. A life-changing discovery. When I first discovered the Plant-Based Cookbook, I was skeptical. But after thoroughly reviewing its 200-plus recipes and comprehensive nutrition guides, I was amazed by its scientific approach to plant-based nutrition. Beyond just recipes. This isn't just another cookbook, it's a complete transformation system that includes chef-crafted, dietitian-approved recipes, science-backed meal plans, professional shopping guides, step-by-step preparation methods, complete nutritional breakdowns, the scientific benefits. As a healthcare professional, I'm particularly impressed by how this system addresses optimal protein combinations, essential nutrient intake, blood sugar balance, natural energy enhancement, sustainable weight management. The complete transformation package is available exclusively through the official website link below. For the first time, I'm offering my professional guidance alongside this revolutionary system. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your health with expert support. Ready to begin your transformation? Click the official link in the description below to access this exceptional offer. Remember, this is your moment to embrace optimal health through the power of plant-based nutrition. Join thousands who are already experiencing amazing results.